In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Razer headset to iPhone. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. The easiest way to set up and properly connect a Razer headset to any mobile device, including any iPhone model, is going to be through Bluetooth. So if a specific Razer headset that you have has Bluetooth compatibility, you will be able to easily connect it to any mobile device. Now, if you don't have Bluetooth connectivity, then while it may still be possible for you to connect it to an iPhone, it is going to be more difficult because you are either going to have to use a wired connection, so you need to connect it into any of the available ports on your iPhone, such as the charging port, or you will need to use the wireless dongle, which might not always work, but for Bluetooth, it is going to be completely reliable. All that you have to do is power on your Razer headset. So, for example, the Barracuda, which has Bluetooth connectivity, and as long as it is sufficiently charged, you will be able to use the Bluetooth functionality. So all that you have to do upon powering on the Barracuda, for example, or any other model, is to check the charging level. If it is with sufficient battery and properly charged, then you will be able to press and hold the Bluetooth pairing button. By pressing this button, you will be able to use the Bluetooth functionality. Now, if you go over to your iPhone settings, you access Bluetooth, you enable it, you should be able to find the headset as long as it was set to pairing mode. And upon choosing the headset on the Bluetooth devices on your iPhone, you will now be able to listen to anything that plays in the iPhone with the Razer headset. Like I said, this is going to be primarily done on any Razer headset that has Bluetooth functionalities, but you can also do it with other standard models as long as you connect them to any of the available ports through a wired connection, or you try to use the wireless dongle, which might not always work. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect Razer headset to iPhone. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.